Today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about using WhatsApp Web on Google Chrome. If this video helps you out, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and with all that being said, we'll jump into the video. So here it is, WhatsApp Web explained in a couple of minutes. So WhatsApp Web is obviously an extension of WhatsApp that you can use on your computer instead of using WhatsApp on your phone. So to use it, you can use any web browser, it doesn't matter, but for this video I'm using Google Chrome. And then we need to go to the URL box, we need to type in web.whatsapp.com, and you can see it's already came up for me here. Just type in web.whatsapp.com and it will take you to this page here. Now once you're here, what you need to do is open up your phone, you need to go to WhatsApp, and inside WhatsApp you need to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then click on WhatsApp Web. What that's going to do is it's going to bring up a barcode scanner, and we can then scan this barcode to WhatsApp Web. Now we're logged into our account on WhatsApp, and it's going to be the same account, and you're going to see exactly the same as what you would do on your phone. Here you can use WhatsApp Web like you normally would do on your phone. You can click on chats, you can type, you can send messages, you can view media, you can send links, you can paste in media, you can paste images, videos, all things like that. You can also record voice notes, send emojis, and block people as well. The only thing that you pretty much can't do on WhatsApp Web is you can't video call and you can't audio call. You're going to have to do that on your phone. But what will happen is you'll get a message come through on WhatsApp Web and you'll just be able to take the call on your phone instead. You can also turn on something that's called desktop notifications, and it's going to give you a notification, like it's going to come up down here showing you when you've got a message from WhatsApp. If you've just got the web application open though, you are going to hear a notification anyway. It's just going to be a normal notification sound. So you'll know when you've got a message anyway. You don't need notifications down here unless you want to enable them. And that's pretty much all you have to do to use WhatsApp Web. You can go through all of your chats, you can message people. It's really handy. I use it all the time because I speak to a lot of people on WhatsApp, but I don't want to keep opening my phone when I'm working. I'd just rather open WhatsApp Web and message them a lot quicker on the computer. So that's how you can use WhatsApp Web, guys. I hope it helped you out. If it did, please make sure you leave a like, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next video.